So Ryan's got another marble. Okay.
Crazy.
Tilt it even more. Now keep making it vertical. Kind of walk it up, make it vertical more and more. Yeah.
That is so cool. Whoa.
Yeah, the second one is magnetic, but hold on. Here's the interesting thing. Sheryssa, get that magnetic marble out and give it Diana, and Diana touch the magnetic marble to the aluminum.
To the rail.
What you gonna find?
Let's get a good video of the marble touching the rail.
And is there any magnetic attraction?
Let me kind of show that there's no attraction at all. You put, then
Let's
just
see.
touch it, and let's see. No attraction at all. Okay.
That's more like it. There it is. All right.
When the marble is stationary, there's no attraction, but while it's in motion, it magnetizes the aluminum.
When the ball is stationary, there's no magnetic attraction between it and the aluminum. But when it's in motion, it magnetizes the metal and there is repulsion.